Meaning of fault finding.
Fault finding.
Fault finding.
Fault finding.
Fault finding. The term fault finding refers to the process of identifying and locating problems or issues in a system, device, or machine. It involves using a range of diagnostic tools and techniques to determine the root cause of the issue and develop a plan for resolving it. The end result of fault finding is improved system performance, increased reliability, and reduced downtime. By identifying and addressing issues quickly and effectively, fault finding helps to minimize disruption and ensure that systems continue to operate at peak efficiency.